Today I share with you how I make this delicious snacks for everyone to try. This was so soft, so crunchy, at the same time it's everything you need to try. If you are one of those people that love eating something like what am I going to put in my mouth, this one is one of them and it's going to be your favorite. To begin guys, I'm going to be needing warm water. The same time I'm going to be needing dry milk. Next is to add in is dry yeast. Next is for us to add in is sugar. Next is to add raw egg. All I do is to mix everything together. I mix until everything come out like this. Now I'm going to be adding is all-purpose flour. At this point, I'm done streaming my flour. Don't forget to stream your flour. Now you are going to add in is salt and stir together. So I'm going to stir until everything comes together. So all I do is to turn everything to the wall surface because we are going to do a very good mix for this dough. So now I transfer everything. Before that, I'm going to be adding butter, just a little bit of butter, and then I keep on mixing. So I'm going to keep on mixing until they come together like this. It was everything you need to try to get done, and it's everything massive. So you're going to mix until everything come out perfect like this. It's not going to be that strong, it's not going to be that soft. So like this is good to go. All I do now is to transfer everything back inside the wall surface because I'm going to let this to double before I can make use of it. So before that, grease your bowl with oil or butter. So all I do now is to transfer everything and cover that to rest for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes later, at this point it has doubled its size. This is what I have after 30 minutes. So what I do now is to transfer everything back inside the wall surface. Oh my goodness, I just love the softness of this batter. It was everything nice. Just follow this process to mix your batter. You are going to love it. It's just so perfect. So now I'm going to add in a little bit of flour in the wall surface, then bring out the batter like this. So I'm going to divide that into two. So after doing that, I'm going to touch that into little ball sign like this. Just these two is okay because I get that fried twice, and first I'm going to work on the first one. So after tightening this one, I'm going to keep it back to the bowl and then cover it to rest before I work for the first one. So now I'm going to add in a little bit of flour, then use my roller to roll it until it's wide like this. So this is me trying to get this rectangle shape, and that is just so nice. So this is what I have after getting everything rolled. You can see how light this looks. So this is what I have, guys. So you see how light it looks. So you just have to roll it like this. So once you achieve this, all you have to do is to take your cutter to just cut it like this. It was just so simple. So this is how I just cut that. So after cutting it this shape, so what I do now is to take one of the line like this. So what I do now, I just use my cutter to cut it like this. So this is how I'm going to cut the rest of it. It was everything simple and nice. So this is how I achieved this amazing shape. See how gorgeous that look, so massive and delicious. I just love this. So I'm going to transfer everything back inside this bowl. At this point, we have hot oil on the heat because we're going to get that fried with oil. Over here is the oil. All I do is to add everything inside the oil because this first step, I'm first of all going to fry it before I get the second step done. So that is just it. So all you do is just to stir. You can see how gorgeous this look. It not even break inside your oil. It stands so strong, at the same time so soft. The way I just add that inside the oil, that is the way it just get dry and come out so perfect like this. So all you do is just to stir all through until you have this gorgeous color. So now that I have this gorgeous color, all I do is to separate everything from the oil. It was so massive. If you haven't tried this recipe before, this is the right time to try this recipe. It was everything delicious and mouth-watering. Even the kids, hobby, everyone around you is going to happy to eat this with you. It's so sweet and it's going to last as long as you want. See how beautiful this look. This is how I get the rest fried. I just love every bit of this. Ever since we fried this recipe, my kids not even get enough of it. We love it a lot. So after transferring everything here, all I do is to add in this sugar. So I'm going to use the sugar to rub all over the body of this because this is actually donut recipe, guys. So you can easily fry your donut this way. and you are going to enjoy every bit of it. So this is just so amazing. All you have to do is to share this video, miss your batter the same way I miss mine. Get this done. You are going to appreciate yourself for getting this recipe done, because you are going to love it than any other snacks around you. Anyway guys, all you have to do is to try this for your amazing family. In my next one, see how gorgeous this look. Oh my goodness, see how beautiful, see how crunchy, see how soft. These snacks come from every good point, like it give you every good vibe you need. In my next one guys, bye.